Good morning students. Today we will see how to insert picture, clip art, shape and smart art in PowerPoint. Okay, so for that we need first to click on insert menu. From insert menu you will get the picture, clip, shape and smart art. So first to insert the picture, click on picture icon, then select the picture from where you want to insert the picture. Okay, so in my document, in picture you will get the pictures. From here select any one picture which you want to insert. Like I have selected this one, so the picture will appear in the work page. You can resize the picture from here. For that, when you will insert the picture, see format menu will appear. From format you can change the height and width of the picture and you can resize the picture. Okay, if you want to change the picture style, from here you can change the picture style. That is a different shape, in different shape picture will come. From here you can change it. You can select the different picture style from the format menu. Format menu will appear when you insert the picture. This way you can insert the picture in MS PowerPoint. Then if you want to insert the clip art, then click again the insert menu, then clip art. Then from here you will see the clip art window will appear. From search for, just you write down the name of the clip art which you want. Okay, if you simply click the go, then it will display all the clip arts, all media file types, all the clip arts. So if you whatever you want, just you select it, it will come. Okay, this way. From here also you can resize or reshape the picture, as we can do with the picture. Same we can do with the clip art also. We can also resize the clip art. Then again click on the insert menu, then select the shapes. Here different shapes are given. Whatever shape you want, just you click whatever shape you want. See, you can click here like this one and drag the shape. Shape will come in the slide or workspace. Okay, this way. Then if you want to change the color, then again click on the format menu and you can change the color of the shape. Whatever color you want you can select from here. Then see, this way. And if you want to add text, then right click, then add text option will appear, then cursor will blink inside the shape and you can write the text. This I have written welcome here. Okay, then the next one is the next. See, again click on the insert and then click the smart art. Select the smart art, then the smart art window will appear, and whatever smart art you want you can select from here, like the all, list, cycle, whatever, which type of you want you can select from here. Okay, just you drag it down. Different types of smart art you will see from here, and which you want you can select, like this one. So this I have selected. Okay, click on OK. Then a smart art will appear. Then you can change the text. You can edit the smart art. Whatever text you want to write you can write here. This way you can insert the smart art. Then see, again the smart, when you insert the smart art, then smart art tool comes, and in smart art tool you will get design and format options. So you can change the text, or you can change the color, or you can change the design of smart art also. Okay, so this way you can insert picture, clip art, shape and smart art in PowerPoint. Those are having computer, try it. Okay.